Why are we focusing on him? It's very dark outside and it's not even 5 o'clock. Actually, it is. It's like 5 o'clock and it's super dark. I don't understand the daylight saving time situation, but here we got a beautiful Range Rover. This Range Rover is a white and black Stormtrooper kind of look, and now it has been wide-bodied. You don't see that too much. We used to do a lot more Range Rover wide bodies, but lately we've been doing all Urus, Cullinan, stuff like that. But this Range Rover has now been wide-bodied, 1016 kit. Look how clean this theme is right here. You got white, you got black emblems, we got this blacked out grille right here. Then we go back down to white. The C trim from 1016 right here, we did it in white. And then this trim right here, we did it all in black. And then the lower lip in white. So a lot of white and black contrast going out in the front right there. Obviously the flares are gonna be white. We got the black 26-inch RDB wheels. Don't mind the center caps, we are putting that on. But look at that fitment. Flush on a Range Rover wide body. 26s, 30 series tire, not 25s, 30 series. They're thick, they drive really, really nice on these. You got the U trim on the door. We blacked this out. This is all paint, by the way. No wrap on this car. It's all fully painted in-house. You got the rocker panels, which on this car really extends it out, makes it look better from the side. All white, as you can see. Obviously, the signature half black setup for the Range Rovers, which look amazing. So basically, above the doors, all black, and then bottom is white. Look at this fitment right here again. It's wild. Actually, the tire is right now sitting on the body. So we got to do a little trimming on that, but it is in low mode. So it looks amazing. These wheels were super popular for us before, but glad to see it on this. It has 50 spokes. 50. That's a lot of spokes. And then we come to the back, which looks amazing on the Range Rover. As you guys know, it has that futuristic light setup where it's black, there's no red. So it always looks great. We usually do this color match, but we left it black because we are going with the theme of black, white, black, all that again. Black exhaust tips. They're actually dummy exhaust tips because Range Rovers don't really have them. But yeah, this 1016 kit down there. This bumper used to be black. We actually painted it white just to give it that bigger, mean look in the back. But yeah, this is done. It's going to go to our partners at Champion Motoring in San Diego. They're going to be selling this car. So if you guys want a Range Rover, inquire with them. Tell them Vic at RDB sent you. You guys get your hands on this long wheelbase, beautiful white on black, wide body Range Rover.
All right, you guys, so we have this Mercedes A220 here. You guys are familiar with this car. This car had a very bad turbo that was making noise and basically broken inside the turbo. So we finally got a new turbo in from Germany. It's here, Javier's putting it in. As you guys can see, the turbo comes complete. Actually came complete assembly with everything. You guys can see here, everything's brand new, one piece, one unit. Javier's putting it in right now. We should have this car up and running by later today. Hopefully everything's good. We don't have no more noise problems. And customers have been waiting for this car for a long time. Not our fault. Again, we had to wait for the turbo that came from Germany. So we just got it. We're doing it now. We're gonna test it, drive it, and that's it.
He's a sick guy. How am I supposed to film now? This guy's stealing my car. Came from Dagestan and is stealing my car right away.
He put his glasses on. Hey.
His thing is Islam. You can't even get out like that. What is he doing? He doesn't know how to park it. All right, so this guy's having a blast in my car. But we have a Urus Performante right here. It's a dark red color, as you can see, and I'm super excited because it's gonna be wide-bodied soon, very, very soon. These are quick ones for us. We get the body kit, we paint it, install it. You don't need the hood on it, but we're gonna put the front lip, we're gonna put the diffuser, and then we're gonna put wheels, and that's it. So these are quick jobs that are pretty good on pricing, and you get a completely different car when it's done. So you see the before here, you're gonna see the after really soon, but obviously, you guys know, King of the Urus right there. We also have 3 Urus SEs that we are wide bodying currently. There's a lot going on, but back to the UFC champion.
Change car. No.
Now get the fuck out.
Bye bye.
Get the.
Hey, hey. This.
I sue you for pulling my hair.
Huh?
Harassment.
That's harassment.
No mames, güey.
All right, so we have this wild G63 right here. This is a 2025 model. This is one of 8 or 9 that we've done this year. This is in that beautiful desert tan color. And obviously this car was one of the ones that we were playing a lot with the carbon fiber colors, like the green one. And then we opted to do this with the yellow gold to go with the desert tan. This one at the time did not do the Brabus spare cover, did all of the rest of the Brabus stuff on there. So right now what we're gonna do, this is actually an OEM Mercedes piece, so pretty rare to see that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a Brabus carbon fiber spare and we're gonna paint the carbon fiber to be obviously matching the theme, and then we're gonna put it on. There's a few other maintenance items on it we're gonna do, but I mean, this thing is a wild G-Wagon spec. Like I said, desert tan with the yellow gold carbon fiber everywhere. The wheels were even color matched to desert tan. Really, really cool colorway. And it is a 700 kit. So you get the 700 badges, but look at the wheels, nice little red accents all over as well. Brabus brake caliper stickers, so that looks great. Got the Brabus exhaust on there, and you even have a tan interior, black on tan, really crazy spec. Brabus roof spoiler with the gold yellow carbon right there as well. This has the carbon package all over the car too, so it is a pretty expensive 700 package. As you can see, that is also carbon. You got carbon on the front corners as well. Check out the Brabus hood scoop. Again, fully custom painted to the gold yellow color. And then you got smoked lights, which add to the detail with the desert tan, and more carbon everywhere with some little burgundy details. So pretty cool spec, honestly. This is gonna go to Vegas Auto Gallery. It's gonna be for sale. So before it gets there, even if you see it on our YouTube video, hit us up if you wanna buy this thing, ready to go. Brabus 700 2025 G63, ready to go right now, and it looks amazing. So hit us up.
All right, you guys, we're here with the S2000. You guys are familiar with this car. We are getting it ready for a wrap now. So it's fully painted. A lot of the body parts are fixed. This car was terrible. It had all kinds of body damage. It's very, very nice now. We're gonna just go ahead and do polish, buff, get it ready for a wrap, and wheels, and a couple of things more. So stay tuned for this one. It's gonna be very exciting. Just like Javier said. You heard what Javier said?
I'm not
What did he
joking,
say?
man.
We're not young anymore.
You're not young anymore, Javi?
I'm not young anymore.
Leave it like this.
Oh, no, you want to put it up?
No, leave it. Why not? Oh, yeah. Go. Let's put it up, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Okay, this one. We can put by it over there.
Just push everything from the bottom.
This one's gonna leave now. And then this one will leave before we're done.
Keep moving those things from here to there.